Now today's topic is light. What is light? Light is a form of energy which makes the sensation of vision. These classified into two parts. First, luminous, and second one is non-luminous. What is luminous? Which have original light, all are called luminous. For example, sun has his own light, so it we call luminous light. And two living some, that is hatchet fish and glowworm. They both have his own light. Second part is non-luminous. Non-luminous objects are those who have not his own light, but they make light with the reflection of the original one. For example, planets and stars. They have not his own light, but they reflect light from the sun. Reflects light from sun. We have talked about the candle and lamps. They are artificial luminous because these are all man-made things, not natural. At day, the only one which have his own light, that is sun, which provide us to visible all things such as pen, table or any other things, because it makes us to vision or maybe reflect light from these all this, and we have to see all these things. At night, the many more things like lamps, candles, all used, but they are not luminous, they are all non-luminous things. And even moon has not have its own light, it reflects the sun's light, then can be it sparkle in the sky. The next thing is light is a ray and or beam. What is ray? The light travels in a line that called ray. And what is beam? A number of rays constitute the beam. Ray may be in arrow form and beam is diverging, converging or parallel. The another example is in night the driver sees his halt sign with the reflection of their headlights. And next topic is speed of light. What is speed of light? The light travels the same speed is called speed of light. The value of the speed of light in vacuum is closely equal to the 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And In water, the speed of light becomes 0.75, and in glass it becomes 0.66 C. In air, the speed of light is less than 0.33% than the speed of light in vacuum. It denoted by speed of light denoted by small c. Now the another topic is refractive index. What is refractive index? It is represented by mu. Its formula is speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in material. That means if we calculate the speed of light in glass, air or water, then we calculate from this formula easily. We have an example of it. The refractive index of glass is 1.5. Problem. The refractive index of glass is 1.5. Then we calculate the speed of light in glass. Calculate speed of light in glass. The formula is used is refractive index mu equals to speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in glass. We have to calculate this one. Refractive index is given 1.5 and the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second upon speed of light in glass. Then speed of light equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 1.5 . The answer will be 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The next topic is reflection. What is reflection? Suppose a surface, a beam can incident on the surface, it is reflected, and this is the normal incident beam and reflective beam. This is the angle I and this is angle R, called angle of incidence, and this is the angle of reflection. Reflection is same. Incident beam come to the surface and it is reflected. Some part of it is reflected or maybe turned out. If we talk about the metal or polished metal, or glass, the whole part of the incident beam is reflected. It means normal, we talk about the metal, some part reflected and some out pass out, but in the case of polished metal, all part of the incident beam is totally reflected. Now the next topic is refraction. What is refraction? Refraction means light bend. It means when a ray is come out on the surface, it bend in the other medium. That means one medium to other medium, it transmit. If we talk about the array is incident, array is come to the air and goes in the glass, it refract from towards the normal. And if the ray is come from the glass and go in the air, it away from the normal. The example of the refraction is, if we thrown a stone in the pond, then the visual eye, this is pond, here is stone, it becomes the appear top. It means if the stone is here, we seems the stone upper on the bottom of the top pond from the refraction. Now the next topic is laws of reflection and refraction. We know that in the case of reflection of refraction, the angle I and angle R, and in the case of refraction, angle of incidence, and this is the angle of refraction, this is normal. Then the first law of refraction or refraction, the angle of incidence, that is small I is equal to the angle of reflection or refraction, that is small r. Law of second is the incident beam, reflected beam and the normal all lie in the same plane. Now the next topic is Doppler effect. Doppler effect is the change in frequency. How the frequency will be changed. Example, a train whistle is loud at observer, and if it goes, then the sound of whistle is low. This change will be due to the Doppler effect. We talk about the stars. The Doppler effect is useful in astronomy. It will be used to find out the stars is approaching us or receding us. If the star is approaches us, then it will be no change, but if it recedes us, then it emits more red light. More red light means that lower the frequency of red color, because we know that frequency is inversely proportional to the wavelength. So red color have the more wavelength, so lower will be the frequency. If we talk about our galaxies, always suffer a red shift from the earth. Red shift from the earth when it recedes from the stars. Doppler effect is also useful in detecting even rotation a star, or it also be uses in speed guns. Is mostly used in speed gun, which uses by police to detect the wavelength of the gun. It's also used to track the object. It will be mostly the value of 10 to the power 8 meter into, we measuring the same thing in centimeter.